Sir, welcome to Carthago. I'm Officer Archibald MacDonald. I'm the temporary commander here.
My name is Lord Davidson. This is my wife, Helena.
How do you do?
Sir, this is a war zone. I suggest that the lady leaves the camp immediately. I'll fuel the plane and she could be out of here in a couple of hours.
I can speak for myself.
I'm a certified nurse. I'm going to be the nurse in this godforsaken facility.
We see this as our honeymoon.
Sir, with respect, all of those bastards are ideological murderers. They have no remorse for the crimes they commit. And... Torso! Fucking eyes to the groin, you motherfucker! Everyone! Fetch the prisoners!
Where the hell am I? Look, this is all a huge mistake. It's a huge mistake. I was framed. Excuse me, officer. You look like a decent man. You do. Could you please help me? I really shouldn't be here. They promised to release me. I'm not a terrorist. I'm an entertainer.
That's awful. You're innocent.
Mm-hmm.
Shall I leave you?
Yes, sir.
I promise to get to the bottom of this right away.
Thank you so much. You can ask any of the Jews here, and they will tell you. I'm the star comedic satirist and actor of the Matate Theater. I'm actually very famous in Tel Aviv. And also quite funny, if I may say so myself.
Wow, very good.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you should tell us all a joke.
Sure. Of course. Of course. Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here. My name is Eliyahu Levi, but you can call me Elijah if you want. I have a great joke for you guys. Sherlock Holmes and his friend Watson are camping in the woods, and in the middle of the night, Sherlock just wakes up Watson. And he tells him, "Oh, my dear friend Watson, would you please look above at the sky and tell me what you can deduce?"
Is that blood?
We didn't have time to prepare. They told us you're coming on in last night.
It doesn't explain why there's blood on my floor.
The late commander, unfortunately, accidentally shot himself in the head.
Did he leave a note?
We change the subject, please.
I want to know what happened.
He hid the place. He left a note. Burn Carthago down. That's my last wish.
There. Problem solved.
Sherlock shakes up his head. Watson, no! Someone stole our bloody tent! There's nothing above us!
Are you saying that we British are stupid?
What? No, this is the joke.
Yeah, but the meaning of the joke is that a Dr. Watson a respected veteran of His Majesty's army is, in fact, a fucking idiot.
Well, Sherlock is smart, right?
Not really. Someone stole his tent, and he didn't even wake up. So I think he's a fucking idiot, too. Do you think I'm a fucking idiot?
No, sir.
You think I'm an idiot?
No, sir.
Let me tell you my joke. The best one ever. There was this Jew, Kike, here in Africa, who thought his balls were bigger than everybody else's. So big that he could barely carry them. Until someone taught him a lesson. Now here's my joke. It's so funny that you can barely breathe.
Stop! Are you really going to beat a cuffed prisoner? Officer.
Excuse me?
Well, the last time that I checked, the British were still committed to a gentleman's code of conduct.
Let me reaffirm that commitment.
Fabrizio!
Can I pay for that? Fucking cunt. And don't fucking boil them like you did the last time, okay? I don't want it to shrink.
As you wish, sir. They'll be spotless.
Well?
James, please make it stop.
All right, that's enough.
That's enough! Alas! Alas!
You are not to beat this man without a direct order from me, written and signed.
My apologies, sir. I didn't realize that aristocratic spies got the royal treatment here.
Sorry, did you just ask me for a transfer to Tobruk front?
No, sir.